The LiftMaster 373LM remote uses a 3-volt CR232 lithium coin cell battery. When your remote stops working or has a significantly reduced range, replacing the battery is the first step. Gather your materials: a new CR2032 battery, a small Phillips screwdriver, and a plastic pry tool if your remote has a clip mechanism. Prepare a clean, well-lit workspace. Ground yourself to prevent static electricity discharge. Dispose of the old battery responsibly at a recycling center, following local environmental regulations. First, locate the screw on the back of the remote, or identify if it has a clip. If there is a screw, remove it using a small Phillips screwdriver. Gently pry open the case, using a plastic tool to avoid scratches. Note the battery's orientation with positive side up, then carefully remove the old battery from the spring clip. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up into the spring clip. Close the case and secure it with the screw, or snap the clip back into place. Test the remote by pressing a button near the garage door opener.